Do you want to know how to import BullX private key to your Phantom wallet? Here's the step-by-step process on how to do it. First, access your BullX account and just simply tap the wallet manager, which is located at the left navigation bar, which is indicated as the wallet icon. And once you click on it, you will see two private keys, which is the yellow or orange text. You just have to click on it and click the download private key. After downloading, you will just go ahead on your Phantom wallet and access your account. Once you access it, click the profile icon located at the top left corner of your screen. And once you click on it, click the manage accounts. Under the manage accounts, you will see add/connect wallet. You just have to click on that and then you will click the import private key. After that, you will be needing to paste your private key downloaded from your BullX for you to able to connect your BullX wallet to your Phantom wallet or even import private key of your BullX to your Phantom wallet.